Hello, I'm Kristin Graham, the Senior Loan Officer and Team Lead of the Kristin Graham Mortgage Team. The other day we talked about how long it would take to get pre-approved and what that process looked like from the beginning. I wanted to break that down further. So we're going to do a series of steps in the process of buying a home. So in the conversation of the pre-approval length of time, we talked about how it can take a new home buyer that's putting in an application anywhere from 2 to maybe 2 days, maybe even 2 weeks to get pre-approved. And the length of time is really determined more by the uniqueness of the financial situation of that particular buyer. But what is step one? So now you know about how much time it's going to take to be pre-approved, or really that's not great information because your situation may be a quick turnaround or maybe a longer turnaround. But the very first step that you want to take in getting pre-approved is to complete a home loan application. Better yet, make sure you're meeting with a local loan officer like myself in your area where you hope to buy. It just can give you some advantages that you may not have with an outside lender out of state or even a big box bank. Once you've started that application, the loan officer will review your credit, income, and assets. So the very first thing that you want to be prepared to do is have your information. Most of us know our name, our date of birth. We may be a little fuzzy on our social security number, but you want to have that, as well as the last 2 addresses where you've lived, your employer or your source of income. The employer as well, we want to see about 2 years of work history. And then we're going to talk about your assets. So have your bank checking and savings account information, maybe even a 401k or other investments that you may have. Have that information ready. Once you get all of that into your application, it will take a few, sometimes, again, it could be a couple of hours, but your mortgage loan officer will be in touch with you after that, and the next steps will be discussed. Watch for the next pre-approval process, the next step in the pre-approval process, which will be what to prepare for your documentation and what does that look like. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for joining me, KG in the office. I'm Kristin Graham. See you next time.